In this quick tutorial, I will show you pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump on it. So I have already created an artwork in Adobe Illustrator. So pen tool is here, it is located here, and I am right clicking and accessing pen tool with keyboard shortcut is P. So pen tool is path creation tool. Actually you can draw any shapes with precision with anchor points and handles. Pen tool is a must know tool. You must understand this tool if you want to be good in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop or any other graphic design purpose. So you can see I am now accessing pen tool. I am clicking here. If I click here and release the mouse, it will select an anchor point. This is anchor point, and this is the line for where I want to put another anchor point, so that I can make any shapes with precision. You can see if I click and leave, it will point this anchor point, but if I click and do not release the mouse and drag it, I can now creating the shape with arranging or fix with handles. Here is the handles. These handles will let me go to shape creating any next anchor points. You can see. So I hope you got the point. Okay, so if I click here, this it's point a anchor point, create a anchor point. If I drag it, then it will creating anchor point along with the line with the previous anchor point. It is adjusted by this handle, and so I can easily make any shape with any precise I need. Okay, so what is the now I am showing if you want to create another shape from this anchor point, you can hold down shift. It will let you creating from this anchor point with another shape. Okay, if you do not hold on shift, then if you click here, see this is minus sign, that means this delete anchor point, this will delete the anchor point. If you hold down alt, so it is convert anchor point. You can see it will pull down the handle which was invisible, but now it is visible if you hold down alt. If you hold down control, you can see a little sign appeared here, and you can click here and you can adjust the shape, adjust the handle, adjust the position, anything you can move it. Okay, if you hold down shift, you can draw the line with straight or 45-degree angles deviation. Each time it will deviate it with 45 degree. You can see 45-degree angle it is deviated. Okay, so that was the pen tool for Adobe Illustrator. I hope you have got some idea about this huge tool. So if you like this part of the tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.